Elizabeth II, a reign of resilience and dedication. Queen Elizabeth II, the longest reigning British monarch, has been a symbol of resilience, dedication, and continuity for over 7 decades. Born on April 21, 1926, she ascended to the throne on February 6, 1952, following the death of her father, King George VI. Throughout her reign, Queen Elizabeth II has witnessed remarkable changes in the world and played a pivotal role in modern history. Let's delve into the life and accomplishments of this extraordinary monarch. Early life and education. Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor was born in London as the first child of the Duke and Duchess of York, later known as King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. Her childhood was relatively normal for a royal, and she experienced the hardships of World War II, like many others in the United Kingdom. She developed a strong sense of duty from a young age, evident in her devotion to charitable causes and community service. Ascension to the throne. At the young age of 25, Princess Elizabeth became Queen Elizabeth II upon the death of her father in 1952. Her coronation took place on June 2, 1953, at Westminster Abbey, marking a new chapter in British history. The coronation was the first ever televised British royal ceremony, and millions around the world tuned in to witness the momentous occasion. A changing world. Queen Elizabeth II's reign has seen unprecedented changes in the world, from the decline of the British Empire to the emergence of modern technologies. Throughout these changes, she has been a constant figure, providing stability and continuity to the British people and the Commonwealth nations. Marriage and family. In 1947, Elizabeth married Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, and they had 4 children: Charles, Anne, Andrew, and Edward. As a mother and grandmother, Queen Elizabeth II values family deeply and has worked tirelessly to maintain unity within the royal family during times of challenges and controversies. A symbol of unity and diplomacy. One of the most significant aspects of Queen Elizabeth II's reign is her role as a unifying figure. She has been a constant source of strength and continuity for the British people, offering support and comfort during times of crisis. Moreover, she has undertaken numerous state visits, strengthening diplomatic ties with countries worldwide. Challenges and triumphs. Over the decades, Queen Elizabeth II has faced personal and public challenges. Despite these difficulties, her resilience and dedication to her role as the constitutional monarch have earned her the admiration and respect of people around the globe. The Queen's poignant addresses during critical moments, such as her speech following the death of Princess Diana, showcased her genuine compassion and empathy. Legacy and continuation. As she continues to fulfill her duties well into her 90s, Queen Elizabeth II has forged a legacy that will be remembered for generations to come. Her reign has been marked by an unwavering commitment to public service, cultural appreciation, and the strengthening of international relations. Conclusion. Queen Elizabeth II stands as an iconic figure in the annals of history, a symbol of steadfastness, and a living connection to a bygone era. Her reign has been marked by significant events, both joyous and somber, and she has exemplified grace, wisdom, and dedication to her role as a constitutional monarch. As the world continues to change, Queen Elizabeth II's influence and impact remain as strong as ever, ensuring that her reign will be celebrated and cherished for centuries to come.